What are the SATs? At the end of Key Stage 2, towards the start of May, your child will complete tests in English and Maths, known as SATs. Standard assessment tests are used nationally to measure children's progress and ability based on what is taught in the national curriculum. They are also used as part of the Ofsted process to measure school performance. Your children will sit 3 English papers and 3 Maths papers. In English, this will include grammar, punctuation and spelling, a spelling test, and a reading paper. In Maths, they will sit a arithmetic paper and 2 reasoning papers, which includes problem solving. How are the tests sat? Depending on your children's school, the SATs tests are usually taken in your child's usual classroom or in a large space, like the dining hall. The tests are taken in exams conditions, which means no chatting is allowed and teachers are unable to provide help. Each SATs paper is a physical test, which your child will complete by hand. Across the nation, all schools will sit the same SATs paper on the same day, so make sure you don't schedule any appointments for that week. During this week, your child will probably not take part in standard lessons for the rest of their time in school. Usually, teachers make sure to let them have more relaxed timetable to allow them to wind down following the tests. It's also important to note, if your child has special educational needs, they may be entitled to additional support. How this support looks can vary from child to child. The results. Whilst the SATs are administered by teaching staff within your child's normal school setting, they are marked externally. This means that it can normally be around 2 months before you receive your child's results, usually the second week in July. How are the results used? SAT scores are often shared with your child's secondary school so that they are able to form an idea of your child's strengths and areas for improvement. Your children's current primary school will use their SAT scores to compare the performance of the year group against previous years and to compare the school's performance against other schools both locally and nationally. But please remember that a good SAT score looks different for every child. Why not check out our other videos on creating a study space, making revision fun, foods that can boost their brain power, useful exam tricks and tips.